Hi, my name is Shannen from Craft Burger and Dining with the Tunes, and today we're going to be making a RealSweet Vidalia Onion, bacon, and chicken ranch salad. Alright, to start with this salad, first thing we're going to do is grill our chicken breast. So I have a skillet that I've already preheated over here and sprayed some non-stick spray. I'm just going to add a little olive oil to our chicken. And we're going to season it with a little kosher salt. A little more, and some black pepper, and then we're gonna put it the flesh side down first, skin side down first, and we're gonna let this cook for about 8 minutes, flipping it once. So this is a super simple salad to put together. Only maybe about 10 minutes of prep to get this salad ready to go. We have some salad mix that we have here with some romaine, some red cabbage, and some carrots. And to that we're going to add our tomatoes, some chopped bacon, some RealSweet Vidalia onions, and some cucumbers. And then we're going to add some ranch dressing here. Once again, we're going to go around the side of the bowl so that we can evenly toss our salad and get a little bit of dressing on each leaf. We're going to season it with some salt and pepper. So here it is, our RealSweet Vidalia Onion, bacon, chicken ranch salad.